A photon and an electron mass m have the same energy E. The ratio lambda of photon divided by lambda of electron of their de Broglie wavelengths is. So the energy is same. Now if lambda photon is the wavelength of photon, then E is equal to hc by lambda, that is hc divided by lambda photon, and so lambda photon is E hc divided by E. So hc by E, lambda photon. Now lambda electron, so lambda electron is h by mv, that is h by p momentum. From the de Broglie's theory, theorem, lambda is equal to h by p. So h divided by, now the relation between energy and momentum, p is equal to root over twice m e. So root over twice m e, because e is same, so lambda divided by root over 2 me. Now lambda photon, that is lambda photon divided by lambda electron is equal to hc by E, is lambda photon times lambda electron is h divided by root over 2 me. So h cancels, this becomes c into root over twice me by E. So this is equal to c root over twice m e by E. So c root over twice m by E, that is option 3 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video.